What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Well, guys, the summer season is upon us, and in preparation for our awesome weather and our spirited driving season, I would like to actually show you guys the setup that I have on the Golf R, and basically the setup that I have to be able to do some POV, point of view driving experiences for you, and to be able to see from my point of view the driving of the Golf R when I go on a spirited drive. So anyways, guys, stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you the small, simple but yet effective system that I have, that I put in the back of my seat there, or beside my seat, to be able to do the POV videos. So anyways, guys, stay tuned.
I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to.
Here are our parts that we need to be able to attain this. Basically, you need your GoPro, obviously. You could pretty much get the cube, the small ones, or the actual GoPro, bigger GoPros there. Then, of course, the GoPro mount and some bungee cord or a small little elastic band to be able to hold this selfie stick. It's a retractable selfie stick here, guys, and it's basically it's the key to having this, so you can extend it and position it whenever or however you want. And again, this is so inexpensive product. You can buy this for less than, I don't know, $10 or so. And of course, you got our USB-C cable and your adapter for your cigarette lighter, so we can power this thing and keep the power as long as you can, so you're not relying on the charger or the battery charge on this unit. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much what we need in this process. I'll be installing it in, and I'm going to show you guys once it's all together. So stay tuned.
2 very boring minutes later.
Well, guys, one thing I totally forgot to mention, you can actually use also a cell phone mount for the item here, and you could pretty much mount your cell phone if you want to and use your cell phone for a camera. You don't have to have a GoPro in the process. You just pretty much need to have a mount where you can screw into your adapter here, and you should be able to mount your cell phone that way and use your cell phone for your camera in this process. So anyways, guys, let's continue. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to show you the final installed product. As you guys can see, it's just held up with a bungee cord or elastic cord, and behind the driver's side headrest. And as you guys can see here, telescopically extending right at the middle of the car, so that way you got the center, perfect center of the car itself. And then basically the GoPro would then sit right here and hooked up using the actual connectors that we have here, that came with the actual pole selfie stick that we have hooked up. So anyways, that's pretty much it. And at the same time, we have the power cord connected right down to the cigarette lighter, as will provide enough power for the GoPro, so we never run out of power, that is. So very simple, guys. As you guys can see, there's nothing to it. It didn't cost so much in the process, just the cost of having the selfie stick right here, and then having to basically owning a GoPro cube here to be able to hook it up right there. And the beauty thing about this is that it's so light that you know, it's easy to mount over on this side here. So anyways guys, I hope you like this video here, and hope this will help you in the process. Well guys, we're on the road now, and definitely we're gonna try and enjoy the nice weather this weekend here. Set my car into race mode so we can get some small enjoyment